Hello. Today we are going to be doing the Kylie Jenner lookalike makeup tutorial thing, okay? Today we'll be doing a Kylie Jenner makeup tutorial. It was requested by my sister Frances, so we're gonna do it for her. And because yes, and in order to act to be Kylie, in order to look like Kylie, you have to be Kylie. So we're only going to be using the most bougiest product, the most outrageous concealer, highlighters, all that. We're just going to be banging like a biscuit. This is not sponsored by Kylie, but if you want to sponsor me, hi! So we only use the most bougiest product. So we're going to use this beauty blender. It's not actually, it's a dupe for the beauty blender. It's not even a beauty blender. But we're going to use MAC. So we're going to use the MAC Prime and Prep and Prime, Prep and Prime, Prep. The amount of sprays that you want to put on your face, you don't care because you're rich. You just want to put it all in your face. This is going to prep and prime your face all day because, you know, Kylie works so hard in the lab. You know, she's making those products that cost me so much money. You want to wait at least 30 seconds so you can, like, you know, post on Instagram, post a selfie. Actually, so you can Snapchat yourself, you know, beauty blending yourself away, you know. Wow, I stopped it. We're going to be taking my favorite two products mixed together. It is Clinique Even Better for Your Skin Makeup Foundation and the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Foundation. These two together are lit. I'm about to run out. I don't know if there's any, probably not even more of this, to be honest. I need to get more. I'm just too broke. I mean, I'm Kylie. I'm never broke. Then what you want to do is put on your setting spray. I know, again, okay, just believe me, okay? Only the bougiest. We don't have our Kylie concealers. Kylie concealer, we don't have that. So we're going to take the next best thing, is the Tarte Shape and Tape Concealer. And we're just going to put it where our problem areas are. But we don't have problems because we're rich. But we can, you know, kind of, you know, just pretend that we have problems. So we're gonna just put it in the areas where everyone else has problems. So like we feel like we're normal, but we're not normal because we're rich. Then we love the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight and concealer thing. Okay, so we're just gonna probably take this one right here. This is called Banana, which we all love bananas. I'm actually drinking a banana and chocolate protein shake behind camera. Just so you know, a little sneak peek into my life. You know, I'm trying to do what Kylie did. Oh, that was terrible. Then you blend with your dupe beauty blender. This is from Real Techniques. It's cheaper, and I think it's kind of... I'm not speaking on that now. There's a bunch of mixed powders mixed into one. Don't quote me on the powders because I don't know how many powders. There's like probably 6 powders in here because you see, oh my god, it went all over my pants. If you look up a close look at a close up, I don't know if you can tell, but your skin is so smooth. It's so ready to go out on a date with... Who is she dating? Because we're so bougie, we're using 2 bronzers, not 1 but 2. We're using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, this one, and then we're using the Tarte Park Princess Avenue, and we're gonna mix those 2 together. We're just gonna give a cool bronzer. She doesn't really bronze her face, like she just kind of goes in with the contour, like I noticed, and I'm like, girl, I see you. The Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. We're going to use these 2 colors right here. And we're just going to lightly chisel the contour area. Kylie likes to be looking slim thick. So we're going to do circle-y motions to represent her booty. Okay, so then we're going to take these 2 colors right here. these all three, these three colors right here, all these three, we're gonna take them. I'm gonna put it under the under eye, okay. And also, I totally forgot to contour the nose area. We're gonna do that right now. When I think of Kylie, I think of blushes, okay? It's like she was known for buying those beauty blushes. Those a lot of blushes. So we're gonna take 2 blushes all at once. This is from the brand, I don't know, got from Target, and it is called Toasted Almond right here. And then we're gonna take Tarte. This is Party. We're gonna take these 2 right here. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix these all together and show them what we got. Okay. This is a Gorgianius. This is what this is. So we're using that glow Anastasia Beverly Hills glow kit. I'm gonna take like these 2 bubbly, dripping in gold, these type, you know, like what? My highlighter just fell. No, why? We will not be taking that. We will be taking Glow Kit Sun Dipped instead because it follows through. So this is what we're going to be doing, okay? Okay. I'm just going to be highlighting the area so softly. I'm barely doing anything. So now that we're done that, we have to use the most bougiest eyeshadow that we have. I actually don't know the most bougiest eyeshadow that I have, but I know that I have like this eyeshadow which looks pretty bougie, so we're just gonna use that one just because, you know, yeah. Use Unity right here just to set everything first. It's gonna be a good base for us, you know, to look, you know, snatched. Her eye look is so simple that it's hard to even be me right now because like I'm not simple, but we're gonna do it for my sister, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take Luna, I don't know, this one right here. We're gonna take this one first. Just gonna put it in the crease area. Really simple, very simple. We're gonna take Parallel right here. We're gonna take it. We're gonna put it in our eyelid area. So, right here. And we're gonna do wind wiper shield motions. Actually not doing that, we're doing circles. I changed my mind right now. See, this is just gonna give the illusion of a crease. And that's what we're going for. We're gonna do wind wiper shield motions with a circle motion. She definitely has some gold in the inner corner. So we're going to do that. We're gonna do like a gold. So we're gonna use pyramid. Probably pyramid right here. It's like a goldy color. This is like really gold. So we're gonna use this. She like puts it in the inner corner, most definitely in the inner corner. So we're just gonna copy her, you know. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara with the Maybelline Lash Stilettos, the waterproof one. I'm gonna put this one on. I'm gonna put this one on, and my lashes are gonna be banging like a biscuit. Okay, so pay attention to me. Our NYX Lingerie and Bedtime Flirt. This is like one of the most like nudiest nudes I've ever came across. So this is the Kylie Jenner look. Okay, so I hope you guys like it. This is what it came out to. You see, we are like literally like Kylie is shaking. She's just fine. 1, 2, 3. I think I look fabulous. Okay, so this is it. I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. This is the Kylie Jenner slaying all day freaking yes. like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and just make sure to just smash that like button because your girl went through a lot for this video, like a lot. I hope you guys like it so much. Please make sure to comment what you guys want next, and I'll be sure to do it for you. I'm feeling this denim. I might keep this on to be more like Kylie. I might put some jewelry on, some hoops, and call it a good ass day, okay? Once again, this was for my sister. She wanted me to do it. She is a mother. She wanted a simple look, so I did this for her. And yeah, you're welcome, okay? This was hard. This was really hard. Just to do this was hard. Do you know how bad I wanted to cut this crease and turn it into a drag? This is like natural makeup for me. Hope you guys like it, and just remember, makeup comes off at the end of the day, but your heart stays the same. I love you. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.